Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here. Today we have a 2005 Isuzu NQR box truck. It's got about a 19-foot box on the back with a lift. The truck runs great, 69,000 miles. It's got like a chrome style wheel. Gate back here. Works great. So it folds away nice and neat underneath the bumper there. Nice lofty box. It's got the separator in there to keep the cargo in place. Got a gray cloth interior. Diesel motor runs fantastic, no issues. Power locks windows. CD player, air conditioning, cruise control, obviously automatic transmission. Nice truck. Engine drives great, super clean too. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, you can reach us at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.